We've got more details to share on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas coming up on Talking Cruise. Like many other cruisers, I am anxiously awaiting more specifics on Icon of the Seas. So far, we know this ship will be the largest in the Royal Caribbean fleet, even larger than Oasis-class vessels, and take the title as world's largest cruise ship. In fact, still uncompleted, Icon of the Seas is already longer than the current title holder, Wonder of the Seas. In the most current update video from the Meyer shipyard in Turku, Finland, we also have confirmation that Icon of the Seas will offer Infinite Verandah staterooms first seen on sister brand Celebrity Cruises' Edge-class ships. For those unfamiliar, Infinite Verandahs are basically floor-to-ceiling windows where the top half can be controlled to open up and down. It will be interesting to see what other innovations in accommodations Royal Caribbean has for Icon of the Seas. We also got a much better view of the aft entertainment space, similar to the AquaTheater on Oasis-class, but with a more circular design and likely a totally new show format. Some of the ship's finishes in various spaces brought to life at the Royal Caribbean Innovation Lab in Miami were also highlighted, and we can see the supports for what will probably be the ship's water park towards the aft section. We still don't know exactly what the mysterious sphere is all about, but according to Richard Fain,
this is magnificent!
While there are similarities to Oasis-class, like the split-hull design echoed in Icon of the Seas, much of the ship makes a bold statement highlighting Royal Caribbean's innovation. The good news is that we may not have to wait much longer for a more in-depth look at Icon of the Seas. Royal Caribbean plans a major unveiling of the ship in October, which will also likely coincide with details on her inaugural season of itineraries, along with opening dates for reservations. We'll continue to bring you more as we count down to the debut of Icon of the Seas in 2023. Don't forget to like this video, turn on notifications, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.